Hey man, I cannot believe it, bruh. Well, it kind of makes sense now. Only 14,000 on the Nike Sneakers app, and pairs literally sitting everywhere. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. YouTube, man, what is going on, everybody, man? Appreciate you guys for tuning in, tapping into the video. And I know you guys probably like, yo, another military blue video. Yes, man, I know y'all want to see what I'm talking about today. We got to hear what I'm talking about today. I'm trying to make some sense out of what happened yesterday on the Nike Sneakers app. And from what I've heard in the past about what Nike is trying to transition to, it all is starting to make sense. So make sure you watch the entire video. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now what I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. A like go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. As you see by that subscribe marker, man, you see where we at, bro. We're at 85,700 subscribers, which is only a couple hundred away from that huge 87K. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Travis Kelce, man. So if you guys help me out, sub up, share the video, like the video, all that good stuff helps. And of course, comment it down below because I respond to every single comment, guys. All right, so if you do not know, man, I have been harping about getting a size 9.5 forever because over here we do have a size 9. You guys see what I did have on the review and on feed, what I had yesterday. This is a size 9. I've been telling y'all, man, the quality is a little bit iffy on this shoe already, so now it's a little bit stiff. It wasn't as comfortable, and I went up to a 9.5 trying to find it. Took an L on sneakers, took an L on Foot Locker, took an L on Champ Sports, all that good stuff. And yeah, that's what leads us to what we have here today. And I could have copped about 10 more pairs if I wanted to, but I wanted to hold some pairs off for everybody else that did not, you know what I'm saying, secure pairs. So shouts out to Athlete's Feet. You guys see it right here, man. My first time ever purchasing anything from Athlete's Foot. I always take an L, or they usually do a first come, first serve, and I'm too late. But today, or yesterday, I was in Atlanta with a couple of homies, and I was able to find that size 9.5. Yes, sir, man. We got that pair secure. You guys can see, man. 9.5, Air Jordan 4 Retro, off-white, and military blue. I don't know why they call it industrial blue, but hey, man, it is what it is. We got that 9.5. Yes, sir, bro. We lit, man. Let's go. You guys see it? And it looked like somebody already wore my shoe. What in the world is this? Oh, I don't know what is going on. Like somebody tried my shoe on or something. This is crazy. I see. This is why you always check your pairs before you get them. I'm gonna take these back, bro. I'm gonna have to take these back. Look at this. I'm definitely gonna have to take that back, bro. See, this video is supposed to be way better than what it is, but it seemed like somebody just laced it up and put it in the, you know, like the shoe case box or the vault or whatever. Not too sure, but the quality on the toe. But look at that, man. Look at that. My pair already laced up, man. That's why you always check your pair, bro. This is lesson 101 for me. I always check my pairs. I don't want to already laced up joint right here, but Athlete's Foot, y'all know better than this, bro. Y'all definitely know better than this right here, man. My first purchase from you guys, and it turns out to be a bummer. I ain't trying to complain too much. It is what it is. I got my 9.5, but yo, what's up with the toe box? It come laced up. Like, what is going on, man? But as you guys can see, man, we do have the double up, man. It is secure. I got a 9 right here, and then we got a size 9.5. So I'll be good for what I have as of now. But you guys let me know if you doubled up, if you tripled up. Let me know how your day went yesterday because, like I said, man, it was so many pairs. And I was watching a video from Bullet RC, man, and he had like 15 pairs. I was like, bro, he got 15 pairs. That's when I knew, you know what I'm saying, pairs is out there, not just in my area in Georgia, not in Atlanta, but everywhere else they had them for the masses. But I was a little confused by, you know, me taking an L on Champs and Foot Locker because they still have pairs sitting. They still got pairs sitting in Champs. They still have pairs sitting in Foot Locker. And somehow I took an L on the FLX. But it is what it is, man. Had a bunch of pairs. Athlete's Foot said they had a bunch of pairs as well. They had a high stock. But it is some, you know, select stores that did not get their full shipment, that did not get their entire stock. And also kind of leads me to the whole sneakers app debacle, the whole situation. You guys seen it. It was only 14,000 pairs loaded onto the app. And a lot of people was, you know, banking on hitting on sneakers app because they took an L on JD, took an L on Finish Line, Champs Sport, Foot Locker, and all that good stuff. So it was banking on the Nike sneakers app. Me, myself, that's what I did. I waited all the way to the last day to try to secure them on, you know, FLX and stuff like that. Took a huge L, But it seems like now that Nike is pushing out most of their majority of their stock to these retail shops. They push them out to Foot Lockers, they push them out to Shoe Palace, Athlete's Foot. They push them out to those different spots like that in order for them to kind of minimize the pairs they do have on the Nike sneakers app, which is kind of weird. I don't know why they would do that, but if you guys remember last year, they said they're gonna be cutting back on stock. They're gonna be cutting back on, pushing as many pairs on the Nike sneakers app, which is I don't understand why. But this is some stuff we've been hearing about in the past, and now you come to the most produced Jordan 4 release ever, as they say, and only 14,000 pairs on the Nike sneaker app, which is kind of crazy, man. But it is what it is, bro. It all makes sense if that's the case. Only 15,000 and 14,000 pairs on the sneakers app, and the other million plus pairs, get distributed from, these different retail shops, mom and pop shops, and all that good jazz. Bro, I am still salty about this. I cannot believe they laced these joints up, and it don't look like nobody put them on. But still, like, why would you I don't understand, why would you lace them up? And I seen them go to the back of the store, and get the shoe and put it back to the front. But like, what was this shoe at? Like, why is it laced up? I'm so confused, guys. That'll probably be my last purchase at Athlete's Foot. The purchase did not go as expected, Always check your shoes, always check your kicks. Never take something that it looked like somebody was about to try them on, or they put it somewhere. I don't know. I ain't feeling that at all. But again, let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair. Let me know who doubled up. Let me know who tripled up and all that good stuff. There was a lot of pairs. I know a lot of people probably was watching yesterday's video, and I put only 14,000. I said only 14,000 on the sneakers app. That's what was loaded on the sneakers app. But in total, from the shop drop exclusive access and that drop yesterday, it was probably around like 100-something thousand. I ain't got the official numbers on that yet, but you guys can kind of see it added, put two and two together and see it was a bunch of stock on sneakers app, but just distributed from the shop drop exclusive access and the original drop, which is yesterday, May the 4th. And I've been telling you guys for the longest, I had to take the shirt off for this one right here, man. But shout out to OutRank Brand. This is probably gonna be a quick seller. It probably already sold out now. Hopefully not. Make sure you guys go check for your size for the Air Jordan 4 military industrial blue drop that they did. You guys see on the back, it say back to doing me, with all the graphics down below. Got the barcode and all that good stuff. And on the front, you guys can see right here, man, it goes perfect, bro. I'm talking about it goes perfectly with the Air Jordan 4 military blue. So make sure you guys go tap in with it ASAP Rocky. Use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off your entire order, guys. I'm here to help y'all out. You don't know what to rock. You want to be, a little bit more minimalistic style. Then I feel like OutRank Brand will be perfect for you, because they don't do too much with the, clothing and stuff like that, but it does go just right with your kicks and your fit, man. I'm telling y'all. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Leave all your final thoughts and opinions over these Jordan 4 military blues. Probably gonna be the last time we talk about it, just being honest with you guys. It's on to the next drop, and I feel like the next hot commodity probably is the Air Jordan 4 or the Air Jordan 3 Dave Baldwin's, the Jordan 1 Woman Lattes. To give you guys a review on a few of those. We already have them behind us. And the Jordan 17 Lightnings. We got some heat coming out, bro. May is stacked with heat. Just stay tuned, stick around, and hit the notification bell. Love y'all. Thank you guys for tapping in. With all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.